Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is day 3 of quarantining from the coronavirus, and as you can imagine, I've already started to get kind of bored. School's been canceled, my spring break was moved up, so like this week has been really boring because originally planned during my spring break, which would have been 4 more weeks from now. I actually have it in April. I was gonna go to Worlds of Fun in Silver Dollar City. I still plan to do that then, since my school is e-learning, if they're open. I have no idea. As of right now, they'll both be open at that point still. We'll have to see when that comes around, but regardless, I am bored right now, and so I'm going to show you a little bit of what I'm doing in the meantime to entertain myself. And yes, this is coaster related, or coaster focused, if you will. Right here, I have a Connects roller coaster like set. Like, it's made to where it looks like it's actually a set that makes a roller coaster rather than making it myself. It's a pretty small one, but it is pretty cool. I'm gonna build it for you guys today since I have nothing else better to do and I can get some content out since I have nothing. And yeah, so I will be making this one right here. It kind of looks like Steel Hog at Indiana Beach, or Green Lantern at Movie World in Australia. So that's pretty cool. I really like how this kind of looks like that, and I'll probably do a time lapse and then like different points in the video to show you guys what's going on. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so we are about to go vertical with my construction of this roller coaster. You can see I've got the mechanism for the chain right there, and then the base structure for it at the bottom. You can see my little cool setup with my GoPro doing time lapse on my like jank setup here. But yeah, it's going pretty well so far. I've actually never worked with Connects before, so I am struggling a little bit. I'm used to Legos, and they're quite different from Legos. But I'm a mechanical engineer, I can figure this out. So yeah, we're working on it now. They are a little weird to put together, but we're getting there. And this is the update right before we go vertical. So this is actually coming along really, really well. You can see this is where the lift is going to be. Obviously, it connects to here, pardon the pun, but the chain will go up this way. The coaster will lift up here, probably spiral around and come around here. Yeah, it's going really well. Honestly, I was expecting these things to not be super sturdy, but they are very sturdy, and I'm not too surprised by that because people build coasters and stuff like this with Connects all the time. But yeah, it's coming along really, really well, and I'm getting excited. So I think we're getting very close to doing track because this is extremely high up now. So this is very, very tall, and it looks like we're at the very peak of it. So hopefully track pieces will start being added soon. The rest of it's looking very nice, and it's coming together very, very nicely. So I will let you guys know when we get to the track pieces. Alright guys, so this next step calls for a part that I can't find. So I know that's kind of a noob mistake, but I'm going to try to find that real quick before I move on. So there might be a jump in the time lapse because I'm going to stop it for now and see if I can find these pieces. Alright, so we are officially ready to start doing the track pieces. Let's do this. Alright, so here we have the final product, and for some reason I can't get AA's to work in here. It says AA 150 volt or 1.5 volt batteries. For some reason I cannot get those to fit in the machine, so my chain mechanism doesn't actually work. But what I can do is push the little car up the lift and then let it go. It's pretty cool. It works really well. And it was about an hour and a half well spent. So yeah, I would recommend, if you like building things and like roller coasters as well. Like, if you like roller coasters, that's why you're here at my channel. But if you like building things as well, I would definitely recommend getting this. You can also have 2 different other combinations for this set, and I'm sure you can come up with your own creations as well. There's a lot of room to work with here. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a big fat thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.